Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and quick review of the Sunnyglade outdoor living heavy duty round antique patio umbrella base in bronze. I think it was a couple of days ago, it was still some kind of a Amazon's favorite. So Amazon's choice or something like that. It seems it's not anymore. Maybe they got too many bad reviews. You can see there are some one-star reviews. Usually, most products have enough five-star reviews, but they can be bought. The problem is always the one-star reviews. So 21 one-star reviews that will concern a lot of people, and I've already bought some things like this, and yeah, after that it broke, and I've made a bad review, and the people say, "Ah, you saw that it was 20% bad reviews. Why did you buy this?" And but I mean, I have found a lot of products that have some, like let's say maybe 20% bad reviews, and they work perfect since a couple of years. So I haven't stopped buying such products. So I really have to tell you, yeah, what it is, the price is good at the moment, especially, I hope you can see that. So it goes a little bit up and down between about $40 and $45. And it's not a big range, but of course, if you get it for around $40 like now, it's perfect. So it has a few pictures. You see that it looks like metal somehow, but it's cement or cement like which is more or less concrete. Of course, it has some plastic pieces here. Here you have the size, and the weight is 13.7 kilograms or 30 pounds, which is, it's not the biggest base and it's not the heaviest base, but it has a decent size and weight. So if you don't have a really huge umbrella, you shouldn't be too worried. Or if you live in an area where there is really a lot of wind, I wouldn't be worried. The thing is, it comes with two different adapters. Here is the ring on top to secure one of these inlays, and if your umbrella stand is a little bit bigger than the bigger one of these, I think that's the bigger one, so you can use it even without one of these. I've tried that and it looks like it's working, so you can try to only use it with this one. Maybe you put something small inside, cardboard or so, or just use it with this plastic ring. Usually it should do the job as well. You see the exact size of these two things. So back to these bad reviews. When you go to the one-star reviews, people are complaining. Some people were complaining that it didn't arrive in new condition. Some say it's a design failure because it's held onto the base with a single screw. Doesn't work, bad quality. Yeah, so I can't confirm actually any of these. Maybe the design error, could be that the design is not perfect, but as far as I can tell you, it's really super stable. At least it's enough for the size of this base. If you have a bigger base or a heavier base, maybe you need something different. But for me, I think it's quite good. So no complaints from my side. This is the instructions. So hope you can see that. It says it can be built in 5 minutes. Yes, definitely. Do you need a screwdriver or what's that? I don't know. Yeah, anyway, oh, one person can be done by one person probably. Yeah, easily. It's just, as you can see, there are just one, two, three, four, five, 6 pieces, but these 2 pieces, that's strange. One piece is missing because there are 2 of these inlays. So actually it's screwed together. The top is already screwed together, so this and the other inlay are already together. So like this, there are 2 of these inlays on top of each other. That's maybe the one most interesting thing when you open it and you have the idea, oh, where are my inlays? Where are these pieces? They are both uh, into they are both inside this thing. So you have to just unscrew that, and so then you find the thing, and either you put the smaller one, use the smaller one, the bigger one, or just the cap itself. This one thing is to secure your umbrella. And actually, you just what I did wrong, I just forgot about this ring, the number B ring. That's important. I mean, it will stay in place, of course, if you don't use B, but I think maybe the top could be damaged. So because of this metal part, when you screw it to the concrete really hard, the concrete or at least the color could be damaged. So it's better to use this, and it's probably even more stable. So let's get to the video itself. So hold on, that's a start. And by the way, yeah, if you see that on Amazon and you want to have better quality, you can go to YouTube. The same video on YouTube with much better quality because Amazon quality is usually really bad and it's hard to see anything. If you want to see all the details, then go to YouTube to my channel. Just Google for this umbrella, the Sunnyglade bronze 18-inch and so on umbrella base. So yeah, this is how it comes from the manufacturer. Here you see everything detailed. Yeah, so not really important. More important, it's how you open that. So what I did, I just cut around this thing, which yeah, was not so a good decision. I suggest that through you cut through the cardboard, like here, and this is already open. This side is open, and I really suggest that you cut it fully open. You lay it on the ground and you cut on both sides so you can open it while it's laying on the ground, because you see what happened to me. I thought, yeah, I was a little bit under pressure with the video, and so I opened it, and you see, can you see that? I hope you can see that. So this was not I mean, you have these, I don't know how it's called, you have these insulation plates and they are not secured together. They are not taped. So what happened when I just pulled up the cardboard, it opened like a sandwich, and the cement base, it dropped down to the pavers. It was not heavily damaged, but it had a few scratches. So to avoid that, don't do that. So maybe you can hear that, what happened. Yeah, maybe you can see that how it bumped down. Now it's still inside, and I think it fell down after that, or it didn't. Yeah, can't remember. Looks like it. Yeah, maybe it didn't fall down, but it could have happened. So anyway, you see it looks really good. You could really think it is metal. This part definitely is metal. Here you can see when you, yeah, here the screw to secure the whole thing, and yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, you see the button. There are 4 of these things. I don't know what it is. I was hoping that you can use like how's that called? Like an six edge thing. Sorry, can't remember the name. Like a some kind of screwdriver which you put in and then set like raise it or put it down to make it flat when you have not an absolute flat or leveled ground, so you can adjust like a table. So it looks like it's not the case. At least I haven't been able to do that. Maybe you can. I didn't have this extra screw things, but I think you can't adjust. Maybe you try, maybe yeah, I don't know. I think it's not. So anyway, the most important thing is in the middle you don't have a screw or anything, so the screw actually or the thread is already inside. So if it gets loose, there's nothing to secure. So like with other bases, they have a screw or a bolt or something like this underneath. Here it's not the case, but I mean it's cheap. I mean for the thing, how what you get, it's cheap, so I'm not complaining. So the good thing is, I mean, yeah, when you go back to this picture, when you move it around on the floor, the good thing is it's not scratching. Sorry, it's not scratching off the black paint on the bottom. That's the good thing. So it will only scratch these 4 feet. So if you wouldn't have these 4 feet, it would probably chip off like edges and the whole thing. So this is really good. This is a good construction as far as I see. You easily can move it around without really damaging the base. Okay. So here's the thing. That's how you shouldn't do that. It's metal on cement. I was a little bit under pressure on the video, so of course I thought, yeah, I don't want to waste your time, and I secured it fully. That's not good. I mean, it was uh, fully secured. You can see it wasn't loose, no problem. It would fit, it would work, no problem. But yeah, here you see this is the part which I forgot. So I had to remove this thing and put it down and secure it again. Here you can see the screw, I mean the bolt, or yeah, this is in here. It's in cement. It's if it gets loose, you can't do anything. Maybe you can glue or whatever. So yeah, here is the thing how you should do that. There's this plastic thing in between. It probably protects both sides, the metal and the cement base. So you can see it's absolutely secured. I mean, I'm not worried about that gets loose or breaks or something. It feels really, really strong. Here, what do I have? Yeah, instructions again. You have already seen that. No need to watch these again. So I have an umbrella. Maybe I can show you how I have it. So that's actually a part of the other video where I'm going to show you how the umbrella works. That's an unboxing and quick review of the umbrella which I bought and I'm using together with this base. Here you can see I'm using it within a table, and the table is quite heavy, so it has an additional stand. Oh, yeah, here you can see. I was hoping to show you a little bit more from the side, but I think you can imagine how this. Oh my goodness, I don't wanna have this information here. You have the lights. Yeah, there's definitely a good umbrella. I can really recommend it to you. I think I will put down the link for the umbrella as well because I'm using it now. It has LED lights and so solar LED lights, and I'm using it since about a week, and I'm really happy. No complaints. So it's a good fit. It fits perfectly, I think. And I will put down the link to an umbrella as well, so you can order that if you are interested. So that combination works really good. The base with this some kind of table to secure it, give it additionally yeah, I don't know how to say, secures the umbrella a little bit more, and the umbrella works and everything is good. So absolutely no need from my side to send it back. At least at the moment, I'm really happy with that. So I'll put down the link so you can order it right away from Amazon. Yeah, that's about it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.